PASG stock analysis and PASG stock prediction. Easy to buy right now. Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. Passage bio, not much volume from what I see. Like, what the hell is this, man? Like, come on. I've done 40,000 videos in the last 5 years, so I've seen what's making me money and what's not. With this specifically, bro, what the hell? It's still a bearish market. There's like no sweat around that. I'm just gonna say that, like, on top of my freaking lungs. I'm not even just hating, I'm just being kind of not nice, right? Like, I know people like to just fake hype this stuff, but the only thing that will actually make me be bullish on PASG is breaks above 55 cents. That will mean a full candle close above that top of the range here, or that top and high, and that will pretty much be in good stuff. But other than that, like, it's all noise. There's far better opportunities that I'm pursuing out of compared to this right now currently. But again, it's only for now, not forever. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free email.